right here. There we go. Taste it. You're welcome. He, obviously, he's putting me demo off today. He's putting me out my stride. He's not doing what he's told. But that's Archie. Now, that energy conservation, if you don't believe me, predators only move when they want to eat. Don't believe me? Go and buy yourself a common house cat. Stop feeding it packs of meat and biscuits and see how quickly it goes round to your neighbours. The only reason they have a bond with us in any terms is Archie wants his dinner every single day. Now here in captivity, we're able to feed Archie every single day, whether he wants to fly or he doesn't want to fly, Archie gets a meal. Out in the wild, if obviously Archie doesn't fly, he doesn't eat. Okay? And sometimes even when he does fly, he still doesn't eat. It's a survival of the fittest. And Archie can go maybe up to 2 to 3 days with 5 seconds. Come on Archie, everyone's going to have to see it. There we go. He's doing fantastic. Those are known as his ear tufts, just to keep things confusing for you. A lot of people think they are his ears, but they're actually 2 feathers which are known as his ear tufts. These 2 things are for attack or attraction. Okay? So it basically means he really, really likes you, or he really doesn't like you at all, and he's going to eat you. Now, I'll let you decide which one's better and which one you'd like to face. So, Dan, go bring him around to see a nice last look. Now, if you've seen bird of prey demonstrations here in the UK and even around the globe, you would have seen this bird. This bird is one of the most widespread birds in captivity. He's from Texas, Nevada, Arizona, those sorts of desert climate areas over the United States, and predominantly in Mexico. In Mexico, they are known as the Mexican crow. The reason being is they are the only bird of prey that lives and hunts as a social group. What that means is 12 of these birds, males and females, will live together out in the wild. They'll act as a social unit and as a pack. Okay, very similar to wolves. The term wolves of the sky is related to this bird and this bird alone. They're very intelligent, they're a very sociable bird. 30 to 40 years ago, when falconry was possible, they're very bonded to one person or another, it makes it hard to fly them in groups as a social group and things like that. As roots, they think, Norm here thinks you are all part of his cast today, and he's happy to operate in and around like you would out in the wild. Now, Norm here weighs about £1.6 and go flush out some food for me. The female would sit up in a nice high spot, that tree over there would be perfect for them. And Norm would flush the prey out. He comes from the tree, pursuit hunter, goes along the ground, okay? And then catches things like rabbits, hares, small rodents, those sort of things is what Harris falcon is looking for. Now, this is where it gets a bit grim for young Norm as a male Harris, because it's a matriarchal society from her kill, okay? Now, what happens from there is 2 things. Norm either waits his turn to be allowed to obviously approach the food. One is he will get pinned to the floor by the female, and then she will continue to eat the food while he watches. This obviously re-establishes the dominance, and Norm then realises this is not a good idea. If he picks the wrong time of the month, or if he picks the wrong time and he picks it up and he goes in and she's having a pizza, Norm ends up dead. Yeah, pretty bad. It gets rougher, okay? So if we equate this to human society, let's say, and we're in a pub, okay? And you spot a partner and you walk over to that person and you decide that you find attractive and all get cheap, okay? And obviously it can go really, really well. Fantastic. Everyone's happy. But on the odd occasion, if it's in the Harris food where and it feet. In birds of prey, it's the feet. Inside those feet, Norm has 1,600 pounds of pressure per square inch. Okay? If I equate that, that is the same as an Alsatian when it locks its jaw. Okay? If you need a little bit more relativity, clench your fist as tight as you can. That is around 80 pounds of pressure per square inch of the average human. Okay? He has 1,600. Okay? So he has 200 times the amount of pressure than you do. Okay, and this allows you to grab onto those tighter prey up there. And falconry history. Falconry has been a part of our culture for many, many years. There's no real telling when it actually arrived here, but it used to be a way and means of feeding your family. Now, Anne Boleyn obviously got her coat of arms changed here at Hever Castle to include the falcon on the crest, if you go look at it. Okay? So, at some stage, there had to be falconry here at Hever. So we're going to show you, hopefully, what that might have looked like. Now, if you cast your eyes to the castle, you'll see my young helper, and they have hopefully taken the hood off of the falcon. Now, the falcon should, yep, the arm has gone up. Now, the falcon will come off the top of the castle and hopefully wow and amaze you. Here we go, got to rouse. Here he comes. There he is. There you go. Cameras at the ready. He's a really good shot. He's in front of the castle right now. He's going to come over. This is the bit where I say duck. There we go. So this is what they would have been doing. This is a geobearing falcon. This is speeds. Oh, you caught me out there, didn't you? 254 miles an hour. Now, Atlas's job here is to try and catch me out. And he's doing that by any means necessary. He'll use the trees, the clouds. Here he goes with the trees again. Oh no, you've turned on me on a 6%. Here we go. He's getting some really good speeds. So this is called a stupor dive, and obviously I've got a lure here which simulates you're going to dive on me. Hey! Off he goes. Oh, you've got one more in your belly, that's a good sign. Now we've got the one user. Oh! Check the lure on the floor. Max, I'm only going to need you to come with your glove, or... Yep, you're coming. Cool. No worries. So, what he's done now is he's worked extremely hard. For those you can't see, he is panting. The weather is obviously quite hot. I'm going to max 2 seconds. So all you have to do is reward him. So there's a small tidbit on the lure for him and not that you'll get the tip. Even if they don't, if you came to my morning demonstration, even if they don't work really hard, I have to reward them. It's just that positive reinforcement that they need every single time. So once he's finished that, Max will do something called making in, and he'll offer him a slightly larger piece of meat to let go of his prize there. This is called a fair exchange. The term a fair exchange is not robbery, it's from this term here. So Max will crouch down, nice and gently. Atlas will jump up, release the lure, and Max will secure it. It's kind of a big for Max, first time he's done that. You can see he was shaking. Anyway, so obviously that is now it for Atlas. Atlas is getting now what's called fed up stupid. So we'll stuff him as much as we can with as much food as he wants for today, and then we'll pop him away. We'll have a bath, watch a bit of People TV before we disappear, and then we'll do it all again tomorrow afternoon. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That does conclude our demonstration here this afternoon. We are back. We've got one more weekend here at Hever, which is across the bank holiday weekend. If you are obviously sticking around, we can answer some of your questions over by the gazebo. If not, have a safe journey home, and we'll see you all again soon. Thank you.
Himself up.